Supporters of the military coup in Niger went to rallies with Russian tricolors. The country risks being completely isolated from its neighbors. Today, thousands of junta supporters held a rally in the capital Niamey. The protesters attacked the French embassy, removed a sign with the flag of France from it, trampled it and replaced it with the flags of Russia and Niger. Western journalists write that the protesters shouted "Long live Russia, long live Putin and down with France." At the same time, the official Kremlin condemned the coup in the country and called for the immediate release of ex-President Mohamed Bazoum. At the same time, the community of West African countries gave the rebels a week to regain legitimate power in the country. If the ultimatum is not fulfilled, ECOWAS threatens to take all measures, including military ones. The organization intends to freeze the assets of Niger and the rebels in particular, close the borders with the country and all commercial flights. While the new government is potentially ready to support only the President of Chad Mahamat Idriss Déby Itno, on Sunday he was seen in Niamey. Chad is not a member of ECOWAS.